In this video tutorial, I will show you some functionality in EndNote, and I will also show you how to cite while you write using Microsoft Word. Additionally, I will show you how to download citations directly from popular databases such as Proquest, EBSCO, and JSTOR directly to EndNote. So here you see my one Microsoft Word program, and you see, if you note up here, there is an EndNote add-in tab. You want to make sure that you have that installed into your add-ins for Microsoft Word, and ideally, obviously, you want to make sure that you also have EndNote installed. So this is what EndNote looks like when you have a library, and now my columns here are customized. I put it basically to my liking in this area, and so this is what it'll look like. And then if you go to any database site, so if you're going to the libraries, Proquest is one of those electronic databases that you can go ahead and search. So in here, when you open Proquest and you gain access, I'm actually connected through the VPN. You can actually enter a basic search term, and you can even click advanced to narrow down your searches and see how you want to drill down. So maybe one of the areas you want to drill down is probably a specific date range. Let's say you want December of 2014, December of 2015 to now February of 2016. And more importantly, you may want to just narrow it down by other areas. So possibly the document type, you will say maybe, maybe scholarly reviews. But let's just search for now. At least we've narrowed it down to our years. And now here, when you see this, you can click over here and you'll see scholarly journals, and that is what I would recommend you filter down even further by. Additionally, I would also filter by full text. That way you're only getting items that we have access to from the library. So here you see we're down to 22 search results, and so let's just say that we would like to take this CEO duality reference. So let's click on that reference location, and then you'll see here you can download the PDF, and you can also save that in EndNote. The article comes up here. So you just click more, and then you'll see several options that you can export to. RIS, it says, works with EndNote, and here you have RTF, which works with Microsoft Word for those that don't want to use EndNote, and then you can reference it directly to your references in Microsoft Word. So let's just click RIS here, and it'll show you what it's indexing and what it's doing. So let's just hit continue and go into and wait till we get this item here, and then when you double click on that, it should open directly into EndNote, as you see, and then you see the actual full citation here. And then you can actually preview the reference here, and you can actually preview how it's going to look, the full reference in your document. So once you have the citation, you can just click on it, go into Word, and then let's just enter it. So if you go to EndNote, you hit Enter Citation, then you can select Enter Citations, Enter Selected Citations. If you want to hit Enter Citations, then you would put in a few names, a few letters of the articles, and then you'd see it would come up. If you just had it selected in EndNote, like as I did, then all you would have to do is hit Enter Selected Citation, and you see it puts in the citation there in APA 6th. And I basically have the full citation with the DOI number, which is required by APA. So, and if you come back to your EndNote library, you will see I have APA 6th added here. Now, say you just wanted to enter, in this case, just you might want to say the author's name, Paz, and just say, quote something that was cited that way, and you click Insert Citation. And then let's just assume that this is the correct citation in this case. When you come here to insert, you see insert, and it'll say display, insert and display as author year, insert and exclude the author. So you have several options. So if you click that, then you will see now it shows Hang and Watson 2015, and now you have two citations here. And you can see it has the page numbers and everything is automatically included. If you're working and writing throughout Word, you can hit right here, Update Citations in Bibliography, and it will go ahead and do that all for you. So I hope this has been informative, and it allows you to directly export citations into EndNote and into Word. Thank you.